Hi, I'm Morgan Feldman, Customer Success Manager with TUNB. Today I'll be showing you how to cast content back and forth between an instructor station and a student station in a ThinkHub Education classroom. So here is my ThinkHub, it's my instructor station with all of my work for today. If I want to share an individual piece of content with the students, I can select that content and select cast. And now my PowerPoint presentation is being cast to the student stations. I can then annotate on this if I want to provide additional annotations or anything like that. I can do that from here as well. When I stop casting, now students will have the opportunity to share their screens to their student stations, and I can view their student stations from my instructor station. In the bottom right corner, you have the option to pull up your student stations. So here I can pull up the student station, and now I can see anything that this student is doing live, and screen sharing, I can view that from my instructor station. And I have the option to annotate on this as well. So if I wanted to draw attention to a certain point, I could also cast this student's content out to the classroom to bring attention to this. And then I can go back to stop casting, and students can continue to work in their small groups at their own student stations. For more information, visit the TUNB Knowledge Base at knowledge.tunb.com.